spark up your life.
Well, let's continue our conversation with our topic tonight, exploring the world. So, my friends has told you, smart listener, about the places that they're going to visit, they're going to explore in the next year. Yeah. And yes, but I'm curious to know. Start from you, Wahid. Yuyun said before she have been in uh,
Jakarta.
Jakarta,
Oh, sorry.
Bandung, and Southeast Buton, yeah, Southeast Sulawesi. So, what about you? Which country or which places in this Indonesia maybe that you have been there?
Okay, I think because I never been abroad, or I never go to outside of the Sulawesi. So, but I have a plan. So in Indonesia, I want go to the, like, yeah, Jakarta maybe, because I want to know their environment, their education, their culture, and then and the second country that I want to go to there, it's what to say, in Yemen, because in there had this fusi. So I want to continue my study about our religion. So I want to the what is I want to fix and repair our environment to the right path. Okay, I think that's for.
Okay. Firda?
Okay, I think I want to go in Jakarta and also
the place that you have been there before?
no.
Okay. Which places in this Sulawesi maybe, or a town in Indonesia that you have been there, and that's reaching up your excitement to to explore more places.
Okay, actually I never go anywhere from expect Makassar and Ternate only that. So
Ternate.
but yeah,
That's cool.
because I from Ternate, so yeah, maybe if I ever based on my sister, maybe she college in Surabaya, so I think wow, Surabaya is like a good, maybe a good environment that
That's a large city.
yeah, because yeah, I think the students maybe have a good education, and then they how the way when I see my sister, how the way that they think, how the way they do anything. So I think it's different with Makassar and my country. Yeah, I think that's all.
Okay.
Yeah.
Actually, you can start from the place in your hometown, Ternate. Like me, yeah. For example, like me, I explore the places. Start from our hometown itself. There are so much places to visit, and that's a beautiful place. So, back then. Yuyun said before, yes, we are a tiny girl, a tiny human beings, being in the place that very beautiful, that I don't know, increasing our gratefulness, and also how to say, reaching up the passion to explore another places. Yeah. Like my hometown in Central Sulawesi, there are so much places to explore, and so yes, I'm starting from there to explore another places in this world. So Dava,
Yes.
which country or which town or city?
Before I jump to the outside Indonesia, I had been to Jakarta.
Mm-hmm.
So in Jakarta, when I already arrived in Jakarta, I was surprised because the traffic jam is very, very, oh my god. Yeah, you know,
Okay.
crowded. It's very crowded. Also, when I visit Jakarta, there is a big city with a beautiful place, and in outside the country, outside country, I had been to Dubai.
Mm-hmm.
So in when
What
I
you found out there? What you found there?
what do you mean?
What do you found
Oh,
there in Dubai?
so when I arrived in Dubai,
Skyscraper?
no, no, I went to the mall,
Mhm.
big mall. The mall is mixed with the highest tower in the world. We can say Burj Khalifa.
Oh
Yeah.
yes. Oh my god.
So me and my family went to the Burj Khalifa,
Mm-hmm.
and then the lift it's very very fast. It just take 1 minute. It start from 1 until 100 floor. 1 minute. It's very fast. Eh, 1 minute. Yeah, it's very fast, you know.
Uh-huh.
Other than going to the Burj Khalifa, I also saw I went to the Med Island.
Mm-hmm.
Like people call that Palm Jumeirah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So me and my family go through the Palm Jumeirah, and there are so many beautiful. How to say? No, oh my God. Building, I mean.
I'm sorry.
So I also visited a beach. I forgot the name of the beach. It's very very clean, and also the beach. How to say that? The sand is very white.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay. So that's all the memory and experience.
No. I have one.
Oh, what else?
Yeah. When
Just tell us.
when I went to, I forgot the place. So we go to by the bus. Then when we how to say that? No. I forgot.
Just say it in bahasa.
No. So there is a street,
Mm-hmm.
and then up the street is the sea. So under the sea, the road under the sea.
Okay.
Yeah. So we go through it under the sea.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it's very cool.
Oh, okay. Like, wow, it's amazing. When we have this in Indonesia, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, what about you, Ichal?
Okay. Maybe my story is not as fascinating as our friends Dava. Yeah, I only visit two city in Indonesia. No, as maybe seems like Yuyun only in Yogyakarta and Jakarta, and go there.
It's not only, yeah.
Oh yeah. Yes, it's just on Jakarta and Yogyakarta. I'm doing something there. I'm visited the museums. That the thing actually that make me really want to explore the world, because when I see the museum, it's like, oh my God, I want to see like more of this kind of thing. I want to see more painting. I want to know more civilizations. I want to know more about the history of the world. And the museum in Indonesia, it's not really that good. And I really want to see a big museums like in Paris, French, and Louvre, where they when they keep Mona Lisa. I want to see Mona Lisa. Yes, I want to see Mona Lisa up
We have
close.
Mona Lisa too in Makassar.
Oh yeah, it's a textile shop. Yeah, Mona Lisa. Yes, I really want to see that kind of stuff. Especially the museum for me.
Okay, start from the museum. Sometimes makes us realize that, oh my God, so this world is very rich and so much stuff that we don't know before. Yeah. So yes, I wish we all can reach our dream to explore one by one that place that you have mentioned before.